Colleen Valadez with Clearly Organized Professional Services. I want to give you a few reasons why you might want to have an organizer in your life. So here we go. One of the reasons might be that you can't find anything and you're frustrated. Number two, you feel sad when you walk through your house or your office and you look around and say, oh my God, where did all this stuff come from? Number three, you daydream about having a beautiful, harmonious environment. Number four, you won't invite any guests into your house so you don't entertain and you feel lonely because you're afraid of what people will think of you if they see what's going on inside your house or your office. And number five, if you're trying to lose weight and you're struggling with it, keeping it off or just losing it, period, there's a direct relationship with that and clutter. I'm Colleen Valadez with Clearly Organized Professional Services, and I can help you.